In this video, we'll show you how to author CCSL documents using Closed Caption Creator. If you're working in film, post-production, or distribution, you might already know what a CCSL is. But if not, no worries. Let's break it down. A CCSL stands for Combined Continuity and Spotting List. It's a document used by production and distribution companies to break down a movie or trailer. It includes visual shot descriptions with timecodes, full dialogue transcription, and it's often used to help sell a project to international distributors or for localization. Inside Closed Caption Creator, we've built tools to make CCSL creation as fast and efficient as possible, especially if this is a service you offer to clients. Let's walk through a real example. I'm going to create a new project in Closed Caption Creator, then import a file. Once the media is loaded, the software might ask you to confirm or update your frame rate. Always double-check this. Frame rates matter for accurate timecodes. Next, go to AI Tools and select Automatic Transcription. This tool will transcribe all the spoken dialogue in the file and assign speaker IDs. This transcript will later form the spotting list, which will be on your CCSL document. Lastly, hit Submit Job. Now let's generate the shot changes. Go back to AI Tools and select Shot Change Detection. Here you can set the sensitivity. Medium works well for most trailers or films. This tool scans the video and adds red markers in the timeline at every detected cut. These markers also show up in the Quick Tools drawer under the Markers tab. If you're using the browser version and don't see this option, you'll want to download our desktop version, which is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now, we'll generate an event group based on those shot changes. Click Create Event Group. This gives you a structured set of events tied to each detected shot. These become the combined continuity portion of the CCSL, which is essentially a list of shots with timecodes. You can now go into the Notes panel and start adding shot descriptions. For example, Superman flying, cut to newspapers falling. You can add these manually or use the notes icon for each shot in the timeline. Let's go back to our transcription from earlier. You'll see that it brings in speaker IDs and time-coded dialogue. This becomes our spotting list, which is included in the CCSL document. An important note to remember is that the dialogue also needs to exist in the Combined Continuity section. We make this process easy for you. Go to the event group options for your subtitle track and set it as Track 2. Then, in the Shot Change event group, click Copy Dialogue from Track 2. This copies all relevant dialogue into the matching shot events, so each shot includes both a visual description and any dialogue spoken during that moment. You can also customize speaker names. For example, Speaker 0 becomes Superman, Speaker 1 becomes Director, Speaker 2 becomes Son, and Speaker 3 becomes Daughter. Then insert speaker names at the top of each dialogue block by going to Insert and selecting Speaker Names. This makes the document easier to read for clients and translators. Once your shot descriptions are filled in and your dialogue is labeled, it's time to export. Go to Export and select Combined Continuity and Spotting List. Include your title. Select a CCSL template. Then choose your event groups. I'm going to select Shot Changes for the left column and AI Subtitles for the right column. Then export the file. This will generate a clean, professional Word doc file with your CCSL. You'll see all your shot descriptions on the left, time-coded dialogue on the right, and speaker IDs clearly labeled. This is everything a distributor or localization team requires. Creating a full CCSL isn't a 5-minute job. Even with these tools, it's a time-intensive process, but this workflow dramatically reduces the manual labor. To learn more or to sign up for Closed Caption Creator, visit our website at www.closedcaptioncreator.com.